Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. Today is a really big day and I am so pumped because I'm finally joining the gym. I don't know if anybody even knows this about me, but I have been trying to do this and join the gym and work out and do all of this for over a year now, but there have been so many things that have just been coming and going, and one of the biggest things is that earlier this year in January, I had a wrist surgery. You can still see the scars if you look closely, and I can insert a few pictures so you can see how swollen my hand had become and everything that I had to go through. And ever since then, I've still kind of been in recovery. And before that, of course, I had pain for a few months and I couldn't really lift weights and I couldn't really start properly. And I knew something was wrong. And I finally went and did some investigation and figured out that I had a problem in my tissue cartilage. Not sure exactly how to explain that, but there was something of a tissue tear. It was just a big headache and I had to do a small surgery for it, but the recovery has been a long process. I can't really put any strain on it, I can't really do any strenuous activity, I can't really do any pushing movements, but that's it for now, and I can slowly start. And even though it'll be like the lightest weight, it's not really gonna make so much of a difference right now, but I just really want to start, and this is why we are finally joining the gym. It's gonna be great. I'm just really excited. My gym bag, my old school bag. Let's go. So we're on the way to the gym. These two boys, I think he ate oats. This guy
Don't say oats like that.
It's oats, bro. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't know. Like, this is something I've really wanted to do for a long time. But there's been multiple obstacles. And even now, there are some. But YOLO, just do it.
Yeah, don't be scared. It's a good
we'll
decision.
deal with it as it comes. Should be good. I'm excited.
Nervous or excited? Or both?
Both, I guess. I don't know. It's just also like going to a commercial gym is kind of
It'll be fun.
like
No,
intimidating.
Now the
thoda
gym
sa.
timings have like extended, na? So it's less crowded at any instance compared to usual. You'll be fine, don't worry.
Hero.
Yeah.
Dude, I just realized I'm living the dream of working out with you guys. This is the dream of so many people.
Please, need one workout session. Please, one. I've never been here before, na?
Can I come with you guys? don't leave me alone. Light because I don't want to put too much pressure on my wrist and maybe learn the form before I kind of just jump into it. So it's going well. Let's see what the next one is. Coach Saket will tell. Neil, what is this machine called? Seriously?
Row machine.
Okay. So this is the one we're doing at the moment.
Oh, you can help
Fun.
me.
Yes. Thank you.
Which wrist is
Left.
हो जाएगा. This is the right one, but हो जाएगा.
How do you put it on?
Neil, each other ways.
That's such a demand, not right.
Yeah, but only wear it when you're doing the set.
What?
Because it restricts blood flow.
how I think I look in my brain. What is this one? You're not even spraying in the right place.
Happy?
Yes. It's actually really scary to be doing all of this. Just because of my wrist, I do not want to have to do another surgery. So, but it's okay. Should be fine. Should be fine. I have faith. Coach Neil.
Squeeze slowly. Back up.
Okay.
Back up. Down, down, down. Up.
So we're finally done now with that workout. Training with the boys. But it was a lot of fun and I really hope I can join. I have to go speak to my dad, convince him, make a whole PPT as to why it's important.
It's a good deal.
Yeah.
2 months.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Tomorrow's legs. Join us.
I hope so. I will.
Rest is okay.
I think so.
We'll find out tomorrow.
We'll find out tomorrow. I'll wake up.
Your
with
doctor is
pain.
not watching this.
I hope not. First day at the gym properly. Feels really weird, but finally, man. I've been waiting for this for over a year, I think. So I'm happy, really happy. We gotta hit our protein goal. We have to pick up chicken, breast chicken.
Breast chicken.
This is the BTS you guys don't see. This is bakwas. So apparently there's some really funny story about Saket and Greek yogurt. So Taha, tell us please.
Yeah, day before yesterday, we came to Dorabji's after legs, and Saket's never tried Greek yogurt, and I love Greek yogurt. I'm a big preacher for Greek yogurt, so I had to make him try it. We got Greek yogurt, and he got a spoon right at the entrance of Dorabji's. We asked them for a spoon, and he had it. I can't believe I didn't record his reaction. He was in awe.
No, I think everyone can imagine his
Imagine my reaction.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Imagine, I was in that state of hunger after leg day, and Taha, he looked like Jesus. That day. He gave me food. Very nice. We'll have it again today.
Nice.
We'll
This
sit
time
again.
We'll get Neil's reaction today.
Yeah.
Neil has never tried.
Hey, you know I've also not tried it by the
You've
way.
not. We'll get your reaction
We
also.
can
Awesome.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
We'll get one each. Yeah. See you guys. It's time, Neil.
What about me?
You have later.
So nice of you.
Yes. Yes.
I see now why you like it.
Like it, matlab he's addicted to it.
It's creamy.
It's healthy too, right?
It's beautiful.
It's perfect.
And it has 8 grams of protein.
Wow.
7.
8 is a lot, yeah. 7 nahi 8. So good.
A flavored one would be better in my opinion.
No. I'm scooping it out of the wooden paddle.
It's like fancy dahi. Very
Yeah,
fancy
basically.
dahi. Greek yogurt.
Bro, it's fancy thai.
It's fancy dahi.
It's fancy thai. I agree.
By definition, it's fancy dahi.
Stop eating like that. Oh my god. Oh Jesus.
So good.
No, now I'm in the zone.
Not the gym vibe I was expecting.
No, post them vibe was like this only.
Yeah.
Oh, Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Acha, listen guys. I just wanted to say thank you for being so nice and patient with me.
We had so much fun.
I had fun too.
I really want you to join.
Yeah, seriously.
That's me.
Sachi mein, it'll be fun. The OG trio.
I always really wanted to be like part of the gym bros.
Let's go.
Gym bros. Gains. Need to go get my protein in. Like we went to school now. That's what I was saying in the car.
It's all the skiddish memories. Back.
Yeah. Ciao.
School
See you.
की याद आ रही है. Bye.
Bye. I can't wait to go home and eat, man. Jeez, I'm so hungry. Mini real talk moment. Whether it's been external problems like my wrist, things that are out of my control, or just internal constant problems and fighting and just not being able to actually do it, not sticking to the habit. I've gone through all of those things. I've struggled with counting calories, I've struggled with the entire process, and that's because I was looking at it in a negative way. I was looking at it to change myself or change the way I look. But now my approach is really different. I want to be strong. I want to feel confident, not just look better, but also just feel much better about myself. And I really think that this will give me that outlet and give me a way to cope with a lot of things that a lot of us are going through right now, whether it's your personal issues, stress, anything. I've heard that going to the gym and just developing a habit, something like this, can really keep you sane. And I think that's something that we all really need right now, and I definitely need it. I just pray that my wrist is okay and I don't want to have to do another surgery or something. But overall, yeah, I'm just really happy to finally start. Hopefully, going to be kind of cool because I'm going to be documenting my experience, and you guys will hopefully, like, one day I might just look back at it and be like, oh, like, that was so cute, like, I didn't know what you were doing, and now then I'll be like this, like, pro, so you never know. I'm just so glad that I'm documenting and taking you guys along with me. Yeah,